English Learning Network.
Today, we're going to learn something very important, basic question words in English. These are the words we use to ask questions. Let's learn them one by one with simple examples. Ready? Let's go. 1. Who? Used to ask about a person. Use who when you're asking about people. Example, who is your best friend? It means, I want to know the name of your best friend. 2. What? Used to ask about a thing, an idea, or information. Example, what is your favorite food? It means, I want to know the name of the food you like most. Example, what is that sound? It means, I want to know the name or cause of the sound I'm hearing. Example, what do you do on weekends? It means, I want to know your usual activities during the weekend. 3. Where? Used to ask about a place. Example, where do you live? It means, I want to know the name of the place or city you live in. 4. When? Used to ask about time. Example, when is your birthday? It means, I want to know the date of your birthday.
5. Why? Used to ask about a reason. Example, why are you sad? It means, I want to know the reason you feel sad. 6. Which? Used to choose between two or more things. Example, which color do you like, red or blue? It means, I want you to choose one option. 7. How? Used to ask about the way something happens or the condition of something. Example, how are you? It means, I want to know your health or feeling. Quick review. Let's repeat together. Say the words after me. Who, what, where, when, why, which, how. Practice time. Repeat after me. I go first. You go second. Ready? Who is your teacher? What is your name? Where is your school? When do you wake up? Why are you late? Which book is yours? How do you feel today? Great job! You learned 7 basic question words with examples and practice. Comment below. Which question word is easy for you?
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.